Now, although this particular logo is in its finished state, because the client did request that text remain straight, there was a series of effects that I did explore before its finalisation. So I'll go on to show you these. If we highlight the entire logo and we go to Effect again, then Warp, we can see the arc in action. So there we have our arc. Make sure that Preview is checked. So here we have the arc. So the logo could be presented like that, with an arc effect. Undo that to its original state. We'll explore another. Effect Warp, Arc Lower, Preview, and you see what this does. Now we'll explore another one, Effect Warp, and we'll try Arch this time. This one's similar to Arc, as you see, but it's got vertical sides. So that too might be a solution for the final logo. Undo with Ctrl and Z, and we'll explore another. Bulge, clicking Preview again to see it on the artboard in action. And there's Bulge in action, and we can change the slider to determine the effect. So you might even use these effects just to give a subtle difference to the original design. Try another. Shell Lower, clicking Preview. There we go. Undoing that again, we go to another one. Flag, clicking Preview. And that's flag. Maybe not so appropriate in this instance, but you will find a use for it. Undo. Effect Warp. Try Wave. Similar to flag, but this maintains a more straighter horizontal. And we'll go to Warp Fish, clicking Preview, and this gives a wavy type of effect. Almost like the head of a fish and the tail behind. Try Rise, remembering to click Preview again. So this lowers or raises the front or the back depending on where your slider is. Again, not appropriate in this instance, but you will find a use. We'll undo that and we'll explore another. Fish Eye, clicking Preview again. This is like the bulge effect. See here we get a fatter pie, or tart rather. Effect again, and we'll go to Inflate, Preview. That might represent a solution. maybe a little bit more subtle. We undo that, and another, we'll try squeeze. Remember to preview again. That might work if we increase that on the vertical, make it taller. Undo, and we go to the final one, which is twist. Again, that one's quite obscure and not appropriate, but that represents more or less all of the effects in Warp. So I suggest you do explore those, because they do add very interesting effects to your final logo design. Even when you've considered it finished, you'll find that some of these effects do add that extra touch.